Yesterday we have done division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number, and today again we will continue with the same topic but with some new sums, new type of sums. Topic हमारा वही रहेगा लेकिन sums will be different, right? So first is divide and check a part. 287 divides by 9. 287 divided by 9. Right? So firstly, again, you know what is dividend, what is divisor. This is dividend, the number which is being divided. The number जिससे हमने divide करना है, that is dividend. That you already know. 287 will be in the division and 9 is the divisor. 9 is the divisor. See. Let's start division part. सबसे पहले आप understand करोगे, पहले मुझे देखोगे, बोर्ड पे देखोगे. After that, I will let you write. Okay? You will get some time to write. उसके बाद लिखेंगे हम. So now leave your pen pencil. So here is the table of 9. Firstly, ये 9 one digit है ना, तो हमें यहाँ पे सबसे पहले one digit भी देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? 2 is smaller than 9. कि 9 के टेबल में कभी 2 आ ही नहीं सकता. Right? So here what we will do? In second class हम क्या करते थे? Firstly हम क्या करते थे कि 9 0 से 0 और हम वहाँ पे 0 पुट करते थे और 2 as it is. Then हम जो 8 है वो नीचे bring down करते थे. ऐसे करते थे ना second class में. But now you are growing up. अब आप big हो गए. अब हम direct करना सीखेंगे. अब हम इस 0 को skip करेंगे क्योंकि हमें 9 का टेबल ऑलरेडी आता है. हम देख सकते हैं कि 9 के टेबल में 28 कहाँ पे आता है. इससे स्मॉलर कौन सा है, इससे बिगर कौन सा है, राइट? तो हम ये 0 वाला स्टेप जो है दैट वी विल स्किप. सो रिकॉल द टेबल ऑफ 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. अब 36 तो इससे बिग हो गया ना 28 से. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर? 9 3s are 27. So this is the case जब हमने स्टार्टिंग वाले 2 डिजिट्स नंबर लिए है ना. Yesterday we have done sums जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही डिजिट को हमने कंसीडर किया था. But this time 2 is smaller than 9, so that is why we have taken 2 digit. 2 digit लेने से वो बन गया 28. Okay, so 9 3s are 28. So now 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 आप लिख सकते हो और स्किप भी कर सकते हो, no problem. Right? So break down 7. Again 2 digit number. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 is bigger than 17. So what we will do? 9 1s are 9. So 17 minus 8 is, count it on your fingers. 17 minus 8 is, 17 minus 9 is 8. So here we will stop our division part. Why stop? क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 8 and 8 is smaller than 9. 9 के टेबल पे कभी 8 आ ही नहीं सकता और आगे हमारे पास कोई डिजिट भी नहीं है जिसको हम नीचे लेके आए, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to stop here our division part. So here our division is complete. Side by side I will write capital D, small d, quotient, remainder. 287. Divisor is 9, quotient is 31 and remainder is 8. Side पे हमने लिख लिया. Now what we will do is checking part. Checking part. So by the time please write it and I will ask from one student, so what is the checking formula? Aniket, unmute yourself. Aniket and then Bhargavi. First is Aniket. एंड जिसका मैं नेम लूं सो प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, कोई वीडियो ऑफ नहीं करनी, कोई गायब नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट टेक योर नेम। अनिकेत, Bhargavi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargavi, what is the checking formula? Checking formula.
And like this.
Ma'am, Vibha ma'am, please remove Aniket from the class. He is not responding and he is eating continuously.
Ma'am, dividend is equal to quotient. Quotient multiplied to division. Division plus remainder.
Quotient multiply.
Ma'am, quotient multiplied to division.
Quotient multiply divisor. Quotient multiply divisor. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. This is the formula Bhargavi. So learn it nicely. अच्छे से करना है आपने, क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे सम्स इससे रिलेटेड कर दिए हैं. From the very first day we are doing this. And last time second class में भी आपने चेकिंग की हुई है. So capital D is 287. Quotient is 31. Divisor is 9. Remainder is 8. Right? So here, firstly, what we will do? Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Bhavesh Sani.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, firstly, what we will do here?
Yes, ma'am.
We will do multiply or addition.
Multiply.
Multiply.
या एडिशन.
साइन के साथ साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करो और मुझे बताओ कि कितना होता है. Quickly.
तो
हाँ जी.
तो 9 का टेबल 1 तक करो. 9 क्या 9 1 दा 9.
Yes, 9 1 to 9 आगे.
9 0 दा 0. 9 1 दा 9. 9 2 दा 18. 9 3 दा 27.
270. No problem. Now mute yourself. So now we will add these two numbers. 279 plus 8. Outside you can add 50 from here. We will get 287. So this is our answer. 287 is equals to 287. It means our division part is right and our checking is also done. But this time new thing क्या थी इसमें? I am repeating again कि इसमें हमने first digit नहीं लिया. We have taken here 2 digit. Why 2 digit? Because 2 is smaller than 9 और 9 की टेबल में कभी भी 2 आ नहीं सकता ना, इसलिए. Right? So we have taken 2 digit. फिर हमने recall किया 9 का टेबल. So 9 3s are 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. 1 again small है, लेकिन हम 7 को नीचे ला सकते हैं. So it will become 17. So 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 is better than 17. So that is why we have taken here 9. 9 1s are 9. And 17 minus 9 is 8. क्लियर. और साइड बाय साइड हमने लिख लिया कैपिटल टी स्मॉल डी क्या है हमारे पास, एंड देन द चेकिंग पार्ट. एंड द मेन थिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि फॉर्मूले के अलग से मार्क्स होते हैं. राइट? डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट इट. नाउ कंप्लीट इट इन योर नोटबुक. सो आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू सेकंड स्टेप. गेट इट कंप्लीट फास्ट. done? Okay. Yes, I have seen your notebooks, those who are showing me. Gurjot from third grade, done, बच्चे? You can show me a thumbs up. Done or not? No. Then do it fast. Already all the students have done, बच्चे. Josna, please wait. I have seen your query. I'll ask you by the end of the class, right? Please wait. Done, okay. Anisha, Seeraj, Jivesh, Divija, why your videos are off? Do you want to stay in the meeting or not? If you want to stay, so on your videos. Ma'am, how to do work? Harsirat is asking which work? This work, ये वाला work तो अपने class work पे ही करना है, जैसे daily we all every time we have done this thing. You have to do it in your classwork notebook. Harsirat, what you have asked? Is this the question? So moving to next, ID with Kitash, बच्चे अच्छे से बैठो. Sit properly. Yes, this is your study time, not your resting time. अच्छे से बैठो. With your back straight. So next sum is B part. Divided by 7. 308 divides by 7. 308 is dividend, 7 is divisor. So 7 one digit है. So हम पहले start करेंगे from one digit. We will take one digit. So again this is the same case. Here is 3. Okay, Sameer, I have read your message. ID with Sameer, I have read your message. So here is 3. Okay, so 3 is smaller than 7. 7 के table में कभी भी 3 नहीं आ सकता. So now what we will do here? We will take 2 digits. First 2 digits. So it will become 30. So we will take 30. Right? So now we will recall the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. And 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 35 is bigger than 30. तो हम लिख नहीं सकते. So we can write the smaller number. ID with Harsh. Stop dancing. 7 4s are 28. So here I will write. I have written 28. So 30 minus 28 is 2. 2 रह गया. So 2 is smaller than 7. So what we need to do here is we will bring down 8. Right? So we have bring down 8. So 28 तो हमारे टेबल 7 के टेबल पे आता है ना. So 7 4s are 28. So here we got remainder 0. So यहाँ तो obvious है कि division stop हो गई. पहले वाले में हमें division stop करनी पड़ी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो नंबर जो था वो smaller था 7 से. जो भी digit हमारे पास 9 था. वहाँ पे we have stopped our division. यहाँ पे naturally stop हुई. Why? Because we have got remainder 0. और जब भी remainder 0 आए, our division part is done. So capital D, small d, quotient, remainder. Capital D is 308. Divisor is 7. Quotient is 44. Remainder is 0. complete this division part. Arav Singh, call, unmute yourself. Don't waste time, बच्चे, quickly unmute yourself. Arav Singh, call. ID with Ruhi Lekhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the checking formula?
Dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder.
यहाँ पे क्या बोले, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? आपने क्या बोला? यहाँ पे क्या बोला बच्चे? आपने डिवीजन बोली आपने. So this is dividend. अगर आप, I think आपका mic off हो गया, no problem.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
This is dividend. Dividend, not division. Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Right? So dividend is 308. Quotient is 44. Divisor is 7. Remainder is 0. So side by side what you will do? You will multiply 44 by 7. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो 0 है ना? There is no option. So we will multiply these two numbers 44 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 2 is carry over. Right? So 7 4s are again 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So here we got 308 plus 0. और इस स्टेप को आपने मतलब इकट्ठा कवर नहीं करना. We will write in the next step. Okay? ये नहीं कि हम डायरेक्टली लिख देंगे 0 गायब कर देंगे. नो. हर स्टेप की अपनी इंपॉर्टेंस है. Each step has its own marking. So 308 is equals to 308. So division is done with checking. Right? Yes, Priyanka. Anisha, बच्चे, I'll revert you after some time. Good. Kanupriya has done. Very good. So this was the second sum. बस simple है. We are going very slow. बिल्कुल fast syllabus नहीं है. Daily हम एक एक topic कर रहे हैं और एक एक topic को भी हम continue कर रहे हैं. So this is the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number that we have also done yesterday. But this time somewhere topic is different. कल था कि सिर्फ एक डिजिट ले रहे थे हम, and this time today we are taking 2 digit, right? So get it complete by the time. Vibha ma'am, please send attendance link. Those who have done can mark your attendance. Arav and Ayan, what are you doing? Your camera is not stable. You are fighting. Priyanka is saying this is so easy. That's good. जब आपको कोई चीज आ जाती है ना, so ऑटोमेटिकली आपको इजी लगती है. अब जब नहीं कोई करेगा प्रैक्टिस तो डिफिकल्ट होगा ही. So now open the link and mark your attendance. So we will move to next sum. Ma'am, can we do minus like this? बच्चे यहाँ पे माइनस आना ही नहीं है. फॉर्मूले में प्लस ही है, तो आप माइनस क्यों करोगे? जो फॉर्मूला फिक्स है ना, उसमें अगर प्लस है तो प्लस ही आएगा, इसमें माइनस नहीं आएगी. Your question is wrong, Anisha. माइनस नहीं आएगी. Yes, not in the formula. तो कहाँ पे? ID with मन्नत. आप क्या कर रहे हो फोन पे? कि आई थिंक यू आर ऑन लैपटॉप या किसी दूसरे गैजेट पे हो. अनीशा, बिफोर एंडिंग द क्लास आई विल अनम्यूट यू, देन तब पूछ लेना. राइट? you will do it by yourself. और मुझे आप करके बताओगे कि what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Okay? So I am waiting for your response. क्योंकि we have done so many sums regarding this, related this. So आप करोगे, उसके बाद मैं तो obviously करूँगी to match your answer with mine. Firstly, you will do it by yourself. I am giving you time. (653) divided by 8. So, Harshil, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the checking formula, बच्चे? देख के नहीं, नो, अपने आप. Yes, क्योंकि अभी तक आपको जाना चाहिए. Yes, dividend.
Quotient, multiply, divisor,
Yes.
add, remainder.
प्लस रिमाइंडर. रिमाइंडर को प्लस करना है ना हमने. दोबारा बोलो. डिविडेंड इज इक्वल्स टू.
Dividend equal to quotient, multiply, divisor, plus remainder.
यस, वेरी गुड. नाउ गेट इट लर्न. अच्छे से इसको माइंड में रखना है. जब भी मैम पूछे देख के नहीं बताना. चाहे रॉन्ग बताओ लेकिन ट्राई. राइट? गुड. हर्षिल, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. So I hope you all are doing. So I am waiting for your answers. आप ऐसे लिखोगे quotient is equals to this and remainder is this. ID with Tanya. Tanya, I
Good
have one.
morning.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, बच्चे. What is the checking formula?
Dividend.
Yes.
Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder.
Yes. Good. Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. So I have got 3 answers. Anisha, Ekvi, Raghav, and all have written same answer. So let's see, is this right or wrong? But until then, बाकी भी करो. Dinesh, have you done? Dinesh, Shana. Three students have given me the answer. Harshit next. Yakshit has written 3. What 3, Yakshit? कुछ quotient नहीं, कुछ remainder नहीं, just 3. So मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा what is 3? Sameer, Josna. Okay, 5 answers are same. 6 answers. Good. Do it fast. Samri, Priyanka, Urvashi, do it fast. Astik, Prableen, Avleen, Arav, Bhargavi. Yes, so most of the students have done. Okay, Yakshit has written 85 quotient, 3 remainder. So this is a different answer. So let's see. Wait, Sirat. 653 divided by 8. Right? Again, here what we have to do is हमने आगे वाली 2 digits लेनी है. Cos 6 is smaller than 8, so we will take 2 numbers. Right? It will become 65 and 8 8s are 64. We will write here 8 and here is 64. So 65 minus 64 is 1 and we will bring down 3. Right? So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is bigger than this, so we will write here 1, 8 and 13 minus 8 is 5. So very good to those जिनका quotient था 81 and remainder is 5. Capital T, small d, Lakshya आपका amount था बच्चे 653, divisor is 8, quotient 81 and remainder is 5. And for the checking formula, again I'll ask from one student, Abhya Gupta. Abhya, speak. Your mic is unmuted. I'm unable to hear you, Abhya. Next is ID with Kanika Sopti. No one is responding. ID with Kanika Sopti. Wait, Seerath. I'm unmuting you. Yes, Seerath. You will speak. The checking formula. Now you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, dividend is equal to.
Seerath, firstly speak checking formula. We will complete this sum.
Okay, ma'am. Dividend.
Yes.
Dividend is equal to quotient.
Yes.
Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor
Next.
plus remainder. Plus remainder.
Yes, very good. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Firstly, we complete this sum. Again, I'll unmute you, Seerath. By the time, mute yourself. So 653, quotient is 81, divisor is 8, and remainder is 5. So firstly, we will do multiplication. We will multiply 81 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So 648 plus 5. And when you will add 648 and 5, you will get 653. So checking is done. Right? So dividend is 653, 81 quotient, divisor 8, remainder 5. Firstly, what we have done, multiplication part, we have multiplied here 81 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, we got 648. So here I have written 648 plus 5. और जब आप साइड पे एडिशन भी करोगे 645 को 48 को 5 के साथ you will get 653. So both the sides are equal. It means checking part is done. And this was C part, not B part. This was C. So 3 sums are done. Your sums are all sums are correct. Just last thing. Very good, Bhargavi. Good. Yes, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आंसर किया था. 81 quotient and 5 remainder. Very good. To all of you, those whose answers are right. So now complete it. So by this we have done division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. जिसमें दो तरह के concepts थे, जिसमें हम 1 digit लेते हैं जो हमने कल किया था, and today we have completed जिसमें हम 2 digit लेते हैं. ठीक है? Yesterday we will meet with the new topic. और इसको complete करो. I am giving you time. Yes, Seerath.